The Frightened Bird. Long ago there was a great archer. One day he hunted with the king. They saw wild geese flying. He told the king, "I can make a goose fall just by pulling the bowstring. No arrow needed." The king was surprised and didn't believe him. He took out his bow and pulled the string hard. There was a loud sound. Suddenly a goose dropped from the sky. The king was shocked and asked, "How did you do that?" "Oh, it's impossible," he said. This goose was heard before. The loud sound scared it. It was weak, so it fell. Since then the story spread. The frightened bird is used to describe someone who is so scared because of past bad experiences. They get very nervous even at a small sign of danger.